doesn't feel the way he did before. And I'm afraid that Ronnie doesn't love you anymore. I'm here to comfort you if you should wanna cry. I think you're gonna buy